What if I told you that you could start making $100 per day online this week, without a degree, experience, or spending a dime up front? Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly how to do it step by step. And no, this isn't some survey or cashback app nonsense. First, we need something in high demand that people are already paying for. The easiest method? Selling Google Maps optimization to local businesses. You don't need to be an SEO expert, because I'll show you a copy-paste method to do the work in minutes. Go to Google Maps and type in plumbers near me. See those businesses that don't show up in the top 3? They're losing money and they know it. Now, head over to a free tool like Bright Local or GMB Everywhere. These tools will scan their business listing and show exactly what's missing. Things like reviews, keywords, or missing posts. Boom! You now have something valuable to sell. Now let's turn this into cash. You're going to reach out to these businesses and say this: "Hey name, I noticed your business isn't ranking in the top 3 on Google Maps, and that could mean missing out on hundreds of potential customers. I ran a free audit and found a few quick fixes that could help. Would you like me to send you the report?" Why does this work? Because you're offering value up front instead of just asking for a sale. Businesses appreciate that. And once they see the report, they'll be way more likely to pay you $100 to $300 to fix their listing. Okay, so you just landed your first client. But what if you don't know SEO? No problem. Use free tools like ChatGPT to generate the right keywords and post ideas for their listing. Or if you want to be hands-off, hire someone on Fiverr for $10 to do the entire thing and pocket the rest. Now you've just made $100 with less than 30 minutes of work. Now here's where things get exciting. If you reach out to 10 businesses per day, you could realistically land 3 to 5 clients per week. That's $300 to $500, or up to $2,000 per month, just from this one method. Once you get comfortable, you can scale up by hiring a VA to do outreach for you, and charge businesses on a monthly retainer for ongoing optimization. And there you have it, the exact copy-paste method to make your first $100 online. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe for more real, no BS ways to make money online. And check out the next video where I break down how to land high-paying digital marketing clients with no experience. Want to use AI to help and automate a business? Check out the link in the description.